Hello everyone, welcome to Caroline's Craftery. Today just a quick little video, Thriftycanucks video. Just a couple things that I found. I haven't had a lot of time lately to go to the thrift stores and whatnot, but I've got a few things. There is this necklace. Now this I got down in our laundry room. I live in an apartment, and in the laundry room we have a free table. So somebody put this necklace down there. So I grabbed it because I thought, well, some nice little glass beads. Got these cute little brown ones, a chunk of chain. I'll be able to use it. I didn't realize that there was some ribbon tangled up in it. So a couple pieces of black ribbon. There is... Somebody gave me these. Now these are 100% cotton, it says. No, they're all, looks like they're all stuck together. But just these round little doilies. They came from $1 or $2, so they were like 2 for $1.50, whoever bought them. But they are fun to use. Now I recently started a Caroline's Creative Box of goodies that I found at the thrift stores or other places that are available to people who purchase one of these creative boxes. So if you are one of Caroline's Creative Box people, I can throw in one of these doilies for you. So let's just do... I've been making lists of what is available, and I've been putting a sticky note on it because then down the road it's like, okay, I said that you could get one of these doilies. So how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, we could do 2. Because I actually have a whole bunch more of little ones this size. So if you would like one of these for the creative boxes, let me know and I'll add one to your box. There was this bag, I think this was like 50 cents at the thrift store, and there is sequences, big blue sequences. There's like 4 bags of those. So Kim, I will add one of these to your box because I know you're always looking for sequences. Some nice little white iridescent type ones. And then, what's in this bag? Oh, got stuff falling out, look out. So there is some sequences and like rhinestone type things in there. I'm gonna put these back in here because some are falling out. I'm going to get all over the place. We have some metal beads. Bag just has a few sequences and a few beads in it. And this one has some little pink sequences and then some stones that you would sew on. Okay. Then I found these. Now I love this color, this light teal, oceany color. And I got this at the thrift store. But these are all like individually sewn on these. So I could quite easily cut that out. So that is nice. And there's a lot of those things. Some of it's coming apart, but most of these do come apart after a while. Then there's this big, huge, wide piece of trim along the bottom, which would be really good for something. I'm not offering this right now in my creative box, but I will. I have to figure out first how I can cut it apart to get the most use out of it. And then that way I know how much to offer. And around the neck it has this great trim. Two rows of it actually. And the sleeves are like this teal colored tulle. So, but there'll be lots of great pieces in this. And then the inside is like a silk type stuff. But you can see in here, if I, let's see, find one that's kind of in the middle. But you can see, I don't know, hopefully you can see, but this piece is individually stitched. The thread's not going from here to another section. So that makes it really easy to cut apart. But lots of useful things, like a nice little piece of trim there. So I'll slowly work. I've got some other saris that I have to take apart. And then we have this. This is a 3-piece set of this beautiful blue. Now the pants have just these little flower type things on it here and there, scattered around. And some beading along the bottom. And so that would make a nice little piece of trim of some kind. But the pants are fairly plain, but there's like a mesh type fabric on the outside. So, yeah, so there, and then the inside is a little bit different color blue, but lots of useful stuff in there. Then we have the scarf, which is just really long. It's probably at least 2 to 3 yards long. And then they've got this little sequin type thing with the bead on it. And each one of those is sewn separately. So I could easily cut this into strips, which is probably what I'll do. The end has this coppery type trim on it. So I'll probably take that off, but I'll probably turn this into long strips with this, like a row of these in, probably. And again, at some point this will be offered in the creative boxes, but not until I get it cut up. Then we have the top piece of this. It's heavy. It's really, really heavy. But look at all that stuff in there. I have no idea how I'm going to take it apart yet. I'm hoping, like these little flowers, I'm hoping that they're individually stitched, so then I could easily cut those apart. Nice piece of beading around the sleeves, but look at all that. Beautiful, beautiful. The back has all this beading on it. The back here has these little clusters on it. Not sure if they're individually stitched, but I'm hoping. So now the front of the skirt is like this. Now this, I could tell that these are individually stitched, all these round pieces. So that makes them really easy to cut apart. Look at all those beautiful blingy pieces for something. And then there's all of these little sequences, which, let's see. They are individually stitched as well. So this piece is going to be really easy to take apart. Have no idea how I'm going to do it. It is in these strips. Like this is one here. This is one here. So I might kind of look to see It looks like they're all kind of on a panel, so maybe I'll take it apart as a panel, and then it gets bigger going down to the bottom. And the bottom has this big, huge, well, I guess it's not big, huge, but a nice piece of beaded trim along the bottom. And that goes all the way, no, just on the front part. The back is just plain, but there is a lot of usable bling here for sure. And I love the colors of both sets of these. The teal and this blue are just gorgeous. So that'll be a job in itself. Some of it's coming off, but that'll be easy to fix. These are just little gem type things that have holes that you can sew them on. So once I get it taken apart, then I could restitch that, because this is all stitched down. So I don't really know how this is put together until I cut that blue part on the back. So just a few goodies. There's a couple stains on it here, but that's okay. That is okay. But that's my goodies for this Thrifty Canucks find. I'll leave a link to my Caroline's Creative Box video in the description, so you can go sign up if you haven't signed up yet, and providing that I don't have 5 people already. But this little doilies is what I have to offer in this video for the Creative Box. Like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff, and comment, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.